Hi, it's Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Welcome to my channel. Today, I got a lovely gift from my friend, a chestnut paste from Italy. With these ingredients, I want to make a delicious fall dessert. The dessert that I'm making today is a chestnut cream mochi. As you take a bite of mochi, a rich chestnut flavor will spread in your mouth. You will just love this combination of creamy filling and soft mochi texture. Okay, let's get started. First, let's start from making the chestnut cream. Place the chestnut paste in a mixing bowl. Add 2 cream and mix well until it makes smooth paste. Then add rum. This is an optional. You can make it without rum, but this will add a nice flavor. Transfer the paste into a piping bag. Pipe the cream on the parchment paper. And let it freeze until they are solidified. Let's make mochi now. Combine glutinous rice flour and sugar in a mixing bowl. Then add water little by little and mix well until it makes smooth paste. Then cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and heat it in the microwave. Mix the mochi and make it consistent. Return the bowl in a microwave and heat again. Transfer the mochi on a dusted surface. With a sieve, dust the mochi with additional potato starch. Divide the mochi into 6. Take a portion of mochi and flatten into a disc. Place the cream in the center of the mochi. Wrap and pinch to seal. Sealed part should be in bottom. Remove excess starch with a brush. You can enjoy straight away or freeze them and make like mochi ice cream. On this channel, I share authentic Japanese home cooking, Japanese desserts, and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you want to learn any specific recipe, please send a request using the form in the description. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye!